Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the difference between Singapore Airlines First Class Amenity kits. So let's look at the Unisex kit. Now they're all by Lalique. Now this is the Unisex kit. Got this from flying from Sydney into Singapore. So this is, you got the Neroli fragrance line there, and then this little bag here. Where you got a piece of plastic, but then you got the lip balm. Again, it's the Neroli line, I guess, the fragrance line, which tends to be, I guess, a floral citrus type smell. And then you've got this Neroli spray, like a facial mist, I believe. So that's the Unisex kit. Now I don't know if this is something they do just going into Singapore, or if you won't get this outbound. So here are the Lalique kits. This is the men's kit. Now this was on a longer flight from Singapore to London. So as you see, the colors are a little bit more eccentric here. So you've got the blue, I guess to denote the men's. So this is the Encre Indigo. So you've got some of the same things there. I just think that, yeah, these are different lines and different scents that they're putting out there to help brand their products. And the woman's kit here is a kind of like a light green color that you got there. The Le Amor line, Solil fragrance. Yeah, you just got some differences, some nuanced face sprays, hand cream, just some subtle differences between what's offered between, I guess, one more woman-centric and one more man-centric as far as what's offered. So those are the current first class Lalique Amenity kits being offered, unisex, men and women's. So let me know what you think in the comments section, and have you got these kits and what do you think of them?